Hey, welcome back to the channel. On part 2 of cleaning the Browning Maxus 2 and the Winchesters is the piston. That's pretty clean. They get really dirty. So I'm going to show you how I clean them. So I use this one-shot sonic cleaner, concentrated. You mix it with water. I use a El Cheapo eBay special ultrasonic March jury cleaner. I don't keep it plugged up, but it actually is a heated. I put it in there, I just throw it in there, let it run probably 4 or 5 times, get a toothbrush, get that thing all cleaned up, and then I use some brake cleaner afterwards. Now on this part where the piston goes, this black is really hard to get off. I use this lead remover cloth polish. Now I would say put some gloves on because your hands will get really black. I have been told do not get this on any, I think, wood of the gun. I think it will take maybe the color off. But what I do is I take this big old sheet and I cut it up in little teeny pieces. So like I said, I cut it in little teeny pieces. This is all you need. And you just rub. And you don't really think you're going to be doing anything at the very beginning, but it takes time. This little piece is all you need to do that whole chromed out. I'm pretty sure that's chromed, but you can tell it's starting to polish up. This upper part here that's really dirty, what I do is I polish it and then move to another section. I don't know if whatever chemical is in this or polisher or whatever's in here, if it breaks down that lead, but I found that hit it for a little bit, move to another spot, and then come back to it. And if your gun's jamming or not cycling right, it's probably because the piston's dirty. And let me tell you, it don't take much to get that piston area dirty. You can clean it. You can go out and shoot a box and come back, and all the time that you spent cleaning this is now dirty again. So if you don't like piston operated guns, you might want to go with an inertia, but you can tell it's got most of it cleaned already. That part right there is really thick. So I'm just going to keep polishing on it until it's completely gone. It's almost gone now. There's some good stuff. Like I said, this piece right here, there's still a good bit left on it. I don't know what you can and can't clean on it, on a gun with this item. It has instructions, but like I was told, don't put it on no wood. I don't know if I would put it on any black parts like blued, but works great for that. All clean, ready to go. So if you own a Maxus or a Winchester, probably any other, or like a Browning Gold Hunter, you're gonna need to know how to clean that. So there we go, mirror finish. See you next time. Hit that like and subscribe button. See you.